So here's another trade you probably missed if you didn't sign up to trade with the 13 Market Moves coach, and that's Domino's Pizza, guys. The trade was simple based off the chart. That's what we're going to review. But more importantly, as we're going for this earnings season, is to remind yourself that the main focus is going to be on guidance. And as I told you in many videos prior to this one, that guidance was going to be the big curse for the stock market throughout this earnings season. And for that reason, when guidance is going to be light, you're going to see stocks just like Domino's Pizza, okay? I mean, the earnings really season started this time with Nike collapsing 30%, and we nailed that trade. And Domino's Pizza is no different. So the myth of this great consumer, okay, Domino's is not going to open as many stores, okay? They're not going to be able to make as much money. And guys, chances are, as we go through the rest of the year, going 2025, they're going to cut those forecasts even more by a great amount, not just by a little bit that we're seeing this morning. In any case, we took the trade at 475, 477 yesterday with 480, 460, and 440 strike puts. Okay. Now, historically, you got to understand the way the stock trades around the earnings report. It typically is capable of making a $40 to $50 move. Last earnings report, we've nailed a move that was much smaller, but we didn't go as far out of the money. But this type of chart calls for a much bigger move. So we should be able to find Domino's Pizza after all said and done today, probably in the area 400, 405, 407. And guys, it's already dropping pre-market. So congratulations to those of you that took the trade. Easy one. Okay, this was an easy 5 to 10x trade depending on the expirations that you bought and depending on the strike price that you had. So if you missed this trade, guys, I encourage you to review this chart. Everything that we teach you here at 13 Market Moves, such as the RSI divergence right here, the price goes to 540, RSI is here, the price goes back to 540, RSI drops substantially. The big crossover in the MACD, guys, there is a lot of recent sell volume preceding to the drop you're going to be watching today. So easy trades in this market, and unanimously, it doesn't matter which sector you take. A lot of people are talking about the rotation, but there is no rotation. Seemingly there is a rotation. Seemingly there are days when it looks like the market's going higher, but it's not going higher because a lot of big institutions are putting on short positions. You just don't hear it about in the news yet. So this is a perfect, basically set up double top, but it also has a structure, okay? When it hits the tops, the volume is drying out on the buy side. And that is a characteristic of a pattern also very well known as a head and shoulder. Now, even though this does not have a single head, it is double head. And I would say it's a double head and shoulder monster that's gonna crash to the downside like you haven't seen this stock do in a long fucking time. So congratulations on Domino's puts. Let's roll. Don't miss the next one, guys. We got a ton of trades coming. Sign up at 13mmtv.com or 13marketmoves.com. Let's fucking roll.